Working as a nurse is what Agnes Lomoro has always wanted to do. Here she is at Aberdeen Hospital in New Glasgow, where she works on the surgery unit. She's now licensed as a registered nurse just a couple of years after arriving in Nova Scotia as a continuing care assistant.
I just can't still believe that 2 years down the line, I'm right at this place where I am right now. Given that before that, I really did not have anything to look forward to.
She grew up in South Sudan during the Civil War, which forced her to leave for Kenya. That was more stable, and she went on to get a nursing degree. However, because she was a refugee living there were other barriers to actually working as a nurse.
You have all these dreams and aspirations, but you kind of don't get to put them into, what you love doing.
She's doing it now. Lomoro, who's 29, moved to Canada under a federal program for skilled refugees, initially working at a long-term care home as a CCA. As an internationally educated nurse, she qualified for another program, this time offered by Nova Scotia Health. The pilot bridging pathway has allowed her to gain her nursing credentials.
We have reduced those barriers for people to come into the health system and bring their expertise.
Having that space to kind of be given that opportunity to, do what you love doing, regardless of where you come from or your status as a refugee, it really means a lot.
Lomoro and other internationally educated nurses, or IENs, are already making a difference to the staffing situation at Aberdeen.
With the influx of IENs, we've been able to fill many of these vacancies, which has really helped to boost staff morale. It's certainly improved patient care as well.
It's taken a lot for her to get here, and she's not forgetting those who helped her along the way, including many people at Nova Scotia Health.
Just knowing that I'm also contributing positively to the community.
She has other goals now she's a nurse, thinking about doing her master's and continuing her training to maybe become a nurse practitioner. Gareth Hampshire, CBC News, New Glasgow.